या औसत वेग, रूट मीन्स स्क्वायर वेलोसिटी या वर्गमूल वेग। तो आज हम प्रायिकतम वेग की गणना करेंगे और टुडे वी विल कैलकुलेट द मोस्ट प्रोबेबल वेलोसिटी। नाउ फर्स्ट लेट्स डिफाइन most probable velocity. What is it? Most probable velocity is the velocity possessed by most of the molecules. या हम ये कह सकते हैं गैसों के अधिकांश अणु जिस वेग से गमन करते हैं उस वेग को प्रायिकतम वेग कहते हैं और इसे हम वितरण के नियम के आधार पर या मैक्सवेल के वितरण के नियम के आधार पर परिकलित कर सकते हैं। Therefore, we will calculate the most probable velocity on the basis of Maxwell's equation. Maxwell equation is shown in the figure. It is given by 1 upon n into dn upon dc is equal to 4 pi m upon 2 pi rt raised to the power of 3 by 2 multiplied by exponential value of minus mc square upon 2 rt into c square. Most probable velocity alpha may be calculated by differentiating Maxwell's equation with respect to c and then we apply the condition of maxima, that is equating the result to 0. Thus differentiating Maxwell's equation with respect to c and equating it to 0, we get the following equation: 4 pi m upon 2 pi rt raised to the power of 3 by 2 multiplied by, or this is given 2c e raised to the power of mc square upon 2 rt plus mc square exponential value of minus mc square upon 2 rt into minus twice mc upon 2 rt equal to 0. Now since 4 pi into m upon 2 pi rt raised to the power of 3 by 2 is a constant quantity, so it cannot be equal to 0. Therefore, the above equation reduces to 2c e exponential value raised to the power of minus mc square upon 2 rt plus c square exponential value raised to the power of minus mc square upon 2 rt into minus 2mc upon 2 rt, or on solving it we get c into exponential value minus mc square upon 2 rt into 2 minus mc square upon 2 rt equal to 0. Again, this is the product of two functions as we can see in the figure. C multiplied by exponential value of minus mc square upon 2 rt and 2 minus mc square upon 2 rt. Now, between these two, the first function cannot be equal to 0. So, 2 minus mc square upon 2 rt is equal to 0. On solving this equation, c square is equal to 2 rt upon air, or c is equal to under root 2 rt upon m. Now this c is known as the most probable velocity, and it is represented by alpha, that is c is equal to alpha equal to under root of 2 rt upon m. Now we should know the difference between the velocity and the speed. The graph we will get in both the conditions is same, but the difference between velocity and speed, they are equal in magnitude, but velocity is a vector quantity and the speed is a scalar quantity, and the summary of this is given in the figure. The speed that corresponds to the peak of the curve is called as the most probable speed. The most molecules travel at this speed than any other. For nitrogen, the curve is drawn and the values are given. So this was all for today. In the next lecture, we will discuss the average velocity and root mean square velocity. Thank you all.